And then after that, stamba, you become stunned. You forget things. You can't move. You forget what you're supposed to do. You become stunned. Can't engage in your ordinary activities. You lose your appetite and play with your food on the plate. So the gopis are there. They're standing with Krishna, and they're completely samohan by his beauty and his sweetness. You can imagine. We simply see Krishna in the murti form with our ordinary eyes, and we become stunned, and we become attracted and even attached. Some devotees, they become so attached to the murti, if they think of not being able to see the Thakurji, their favorite Thakurji, if they think of not seeing him, they actually cry. And when they cry, then they realize, oh, I never realized. I never thought I could be attached to a murti of Krishna. But my feelings are telling me the truth of my attachment. So when your feelings are expressed, and that's involuntary. You don't think, well, now I will cry. Or just some kind of words or some kind of circumstance or situation which perturbs or moves the heart in such a way that without calculating or thinking, oh, I feel like crying, I cry. You just cry. So that crying or that response of the body indicates the depth of the heart's attachment, which is significant and important. Shows the power of darshan, of Krishna, and the power of bhakti. So this is Jiva Goswami's tika on this verse. We can see here.